The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the 2025 Volkswagen Polo are impossible to ignore, constantly reminding you of the speed limit. This video will walk you through how to permanently silence these beeps using a beep-away USB config. We'll use a Volkswagen Polo as our example, but the same steps apply to any supported car with a cabin USB port. Beep-away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Volkswagen. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep-away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Polo. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Volkswagen Polo is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password. Then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Volkswagen Polo. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep-away can tailor the config file. On a Volkswagen, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side base of the windscreen. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no I, O, or Q. Beep-away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Volkswagen Polo 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Volkswagen Polo 2025 ISA config file, personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Volkswagen Polo 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Like all new Volkswagens, your 2025 Polo comes with intelligent speed assist that triggers a warning beep whenever it thinks you're over the limit. It rearms with every drive and often misreads signs or uses outdated data, making the beeping a constant companion. Beep-away permanently silences these specific warning beeps, while all other car functions and safety systems remain fully operational. The Beep-away configuration loads directly from the USB stick. It does not flash or rewrite your car's firmware. Simply remove the USB stick at any time, and your car's factory warning sounds will instantly return. While we demonstrated on a Volkswagen Polo, the Beep-away process is identical for any supported vehicle. Owners of many different car brands experience the same persistent ISA warning beep problem. If you own a 2025 Volkswagen Polo, you're not alone. Drivers everywhere describe the same relentless ISA warning beeps. Online forums and reviews are filled with comments about beeps for minor overspeeds, settings that reset after every ignition, and menu options that only offer temporary relief. This is why so many are seeking a lasting solution, and we'll address some common questions next. Beep-away uses a reversible configuration loaded from the USB stick only when it's plugged in. Remove the stick, and your car reverts to its original state. Nothing is permanently altered or rewritten. If warranty terms are critical for your lease or country, Always review your specific documentation. Yes, owners of the Volkswagen Polo follow the exact same beep-away process you've just seen. To confirm compatibility for your specific vehicle, simply enter your VIN on beepaway.com before ordering. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes of your time at home. No dealer visits, no specialized coding tools, and no unique cables are required. You can select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom configuration directly from Beepaway. Search Google for Beepaway, or go straight to beepaway.com to get started. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beepaway is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.